In this video, you will learn how to use Hostinger coupon code to get extra discount. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, click on the link available in the video description and it will take you to this website. After that, from here scroll down to the web hosting packages. Now you can select the package based on your requirement, but I will recommend you to go with the business package. So click on add to cart. Now you can select the time period based on your requirement, but if you have the budget, then I will recommend you to go with the 48 months plan because it will cost you 3.99 per month and 3 months will be free. After selecting your time duration, scroll down and create your Hostinger account. You can use your email and password or you can sign up with the help of your Google account. After that, you need to select your payment method. You can go with the credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay or CoinGate. So select the payment method based on your requirement and after that scroll down and click on have a coupon code, and as you can see that currently we will charge 191 USD and now we are going to add a coupon code and then click on apply, and as you can see that our coupon code is now applied. After adding our coupon code, we need to add our payment details and then click on submit secure payment. After the payment, it will take you to the Hostinger Edge panel. If not, then go to hostinger.com and then from the top just click on login. Now enter your username and password and then click on login. So this is how you can use a coupon code on Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.